Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will learn how to read the basic sight words. Once again, this is teacher Yumi, and please don't forget to subscribe. So are you ready? Let us start. A, and, away, big, blue, can, come, down, find, for, funny, go, help, here, I, in, is, it, jump, little, look, make, me, my, not, one, play, red, run, said, see, the, three, two, up, we, where, yellow, you. Okay, thank you and God bless, and I hope that you learn from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is teacher Yumi, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. And please follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. Thank you and God bless. Bye!